Class 7 Computer. This is the fifth video session class of chapter number 2, that is Advanced Features of MS Excel 2010. Now in the last video session class, I have explained you practically how to use filtering of data and conditional formatting, and how to copy conditional formatting to other cells, clearing or removing of conditional formatting. These things we have done in the last class. Now in this video session class, I'll show you practically how to create a chart, and what are the different type of charts, and where can you find the different types of chart. Now let's see here. Here I have opened an Excel worksheet, a new Excel worksheet. Okay. Now here I'll tell you where you can find the chart and what are the different type of charts, which I have explained you in the previous video session class. Now for that you have to go to the insert tab. These are the tabs I told you before. These are the tabs. You go to the insert tab because we are inserting the chart. So from the insert tab you go to the chart group. From the chart group, here you can find different types of charts, like column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area chart, scatter, XY scatter chart, and the donut chart. Also you can see other in the other charts. Click on the arrow down here. The arrow down, so click to below, and after a drop down menu appears here. From this you can see the donut chart here. But these are the different type of charts. Where you can find the chart? If you are in the home tab, you go to the insert tab. After going to the insert tab, you go to the chart group. After going to the chart group, you search for the chart which you want to create. Nana apamba create tongniba chart onam segi ma'am se khanbiro. So column chart haga column chart, are different type of column charts are given here. Now from these, among these, you can choose your desired chart, the chart which you want. Okay, this is 2D, two-dimensional column chart. This is three-dimensional column chart. This is cylinder column chart, cone column chart, pyramid column chart. Now among these you can choose which type of chart you want from the column chart. Column chart ma'am p ma'am din apamba karamano se khali yare. Then likewise line chart also. Line chart is nang sida apamba karamano nang do khali yare. Now pie chart. Pie chart is different type of pie charts, 2D pie chart, 3D pie charts, all are given here. Then bar chart also, the bar chart is ma'am yaure. Bar chart is 2D, 3D, cylinder, cone, pyramid, ma'am se kidana apamba bar chart khambe. Now area chart also. Among these you can choose which area chart you want while creating a chart. While creating an area chart, now while creating scatter chart, the XY scatter chart, ma'am se apamba khambe. And the other charts in the book, it is given a donut chart only. By here bubble chart, surface chart, stock chart, radar chart, okay. These are the different type of charts. Now the charts given here I already explained you in the previous video session class are in with the high revenue. See Sigi chart, column chart na kaino, line chart na kaino, pie chart na have do. I already explained in the previous class, so no need to explain again. Now let's see here how to create a chart in Excel. We Excel the chart create have the. Now before creating a chart in Excel, what we have to do is we have to make sure that there is some data in our Excel sheet, in Excel worksheet. In our Excel worksheet, we have to make sure that there is some data. But here I've opened a new worksheet here, so there is no data here. Say the data but it has to be some data to create a chart. Chart I'm saying have a liquid data I already make a chart. Now this is a chart we have done before. In the previous video class we have done this table. See table, this is an mamangi class ta conditional formatting filtering data to people because is a suppose we go to the home tab, then formatting changaga clear rules from entire section. And this we have done in the last video session class. Now clear rules. Now all the conditional formatting have been cleared from this table. Now how to create a chart? In order to create a chart, we should have some data. Now these are the data we have now. The data layer. So let's create a chart containing the name of the students and the total marks they get. Total marks siga, name siga. Chart ama same color si. We take a chart ama lower in color, or we can take a average. Name of the students ne, the average marks they get. Average mark they get siga. Average mark mo yung fangi siga. Mo yung name of the students siga. Chart ama same in color si suppose ko. Now what we have to do is select the data for which you want to make a chart. Data to select obviously. Now I'll select this. Now after selecting this, I'll select the other column, this average column also. So you have to press Control in the keyboard. Keyboard to control number because we have selecting multiple columns here. Because if I didn't press the control key, a control key number again. Now let's see here. Now look carefully. I already select the C column. Okay, you select the header name also. Aming sisu yung na select to view to matamda header sisu. So aina sida average mo select to matamda hanag column je mang select to mangra. So you so in order to select multiple columns, you select the columns you want. Then after that, you press the control key. Then select the column which you want. The second column. Okay, you are pressing the control key in order to select multiple columns. Select okay, multiple rows select okay. We have to keep on pressing the control key from the keyboard. The control key number thamragadi yarweba. Ko sida ina hana si suppose I'll tell you again, look carefully muna taw muna yenguko. Smanya select away. Duga I'm not pressing anything on the keyboard. I keyboard to keep num music. Duga ina simply I select the I want to select this average column also. See average column you select opa manina. When I select this average column, now this will be deselected. This column will be deselected. Look carefully when I select this column. Now this column has been deselected. Now I have to go to this column again. Again this column is deselected. So you have to press Control key. Now I am pressing Control key in the keyboard. Again I am selecting this column. Now both the column has been selected. Name of the students and the average of the students. Average marks of the students has been selected. Now these two columns have been selected. Now here I want to create a chart. So in order to create a chart, what you have to go is we are inserting chart in this Excel worksheet. Insert the whenever chart Excel worksheet. That's why we have to go to the insert tab. Then after going to the insert tab, we have to go to the chart group. The chart group the which chart you want to create. Koina create tong ningiba chart to karamano si ma'am se ki aina khanja tare the chart which I want to make. Now let's see with the first with the column chart haneng. Now from the column chart also there are different types and different styles of column chart here. Column chart ma'am PAC ki ma'am se apa makan hai. Now let's see the first one 2D column gida si first one saying I'll click here. Now the column chart has been made here. Now this blue line is the average. Now it's on here. Someone name is the blue line. Blue line is the bar single is na average nita never. Now these are the marks. Average mark is na the single line is something na either 90 ga some not 90 87 na 90 yoga seda. Duga ji Mr. Grandson gina 92.4 lagi मतलब का कैसे जो 92.4 just one का Grandson gana cak mana es mana the maming name of the student is given here and the average marks is given as a graph here, the chart in a page here. Like this you can create a chart. Now if I want to undo this, you can go to undo like this. See that don't look here, go here and undo. undo logthokre. Now let's see the other chart. Now go to the column chart again, and you can take the 3D also. Among these which you want, you can take the 3-dimensional gila. Okay, now you can undo here again. Now from here also chart layouts, you can select the chart layout which you want, you can select like this. Now title axis, this you can write as average marks. Here name of the students. Now suppose I click here, if I delete this, let's see here. Let's see here. Now suppose click here, go to the formatting layout here, or the design here. Designer the chart layout chart layout. Now I suppose I click here, the click already. Click over there. Click over now. I write here average marks. AVERAGE average. MARKS average marks. Now here see the average marks here. Name of the student. These are the name of the students. Name of the students in Makada. The axis here of grammar is the average PV that's na active average mark PV. Now see the chart style, chart section different type of charts ma'am there. Select design to PV. Design home is chart style design ma'am. Now change chart type. Chart type से palm दे है सीधा कोई chart में हम हानन सही याव भी chart मान तो इधर column line pie bar area scatter xy scatter stop surface donut bubble radar सी में हम जी सही खंडी भी है ना column chart in a different the cone की style खंडी है कभी if you want to change the column chart also different type of column chart is given here. You can change anything from here. Okay, any column chart from here you can choose. Suppose you want to choose this one, click OK. Now see here, it has been changed. Column chart but this is a different design of column chart. You can create like this also. Okay, now after this, let's delete this and let's go to the insert again and use a pie chart here. Pie chart says that you can choose a pie, a 2D line pie chart or 3D line pie chart. You can choose from here. Now I'll choose this. Now this is a pie chart. Name of the students and the average marks they get. This is a blue line is a average. Okay. Now I'll delete this again. Now again the pie chart also. Different type of pie chart is given here. My combination pie chart. So tom thin gina si color le akas gina si color le ls gina si color le grandson gina si color le kailas gina color sini mana hena kwaidagi yamna phangba si kanano sida just one ka grandson ga chap mana le just one le si color sini magina juga grandson gina green color जो हमारा green color सीगा ना क्वालिटी है नहीं यामी green संगी से blue color हमारा सीगा ना क्वालिटी यामी marks है. Okay, I'll change the marks from here also and let's see mark the average the almost all same manane I'll change the marks here. Now let's delete this and I'll change the marks here. 63, 45, 53, 39, 35. Therefore, aggressive 43, let us say 53, 34, so 27, 36. Now I'll select this, mine selector again I'll select this and I'll go to the insert tab and the pie chart then I'll get the pie chart. See, the legs na fangisi quite yam dre marks my 36 by the key yam w 182 ni my average 36.4 fange my yam w alex key yam the one choose na by the hen p is na pie chart okay, like this we can take pie chart also. Then after that pie chart bar chart also you can take like this. Bar chart bar chart is bar chart different type of bar charts can be raw bar chart and after this bar area chart area chart now you can try this at home. Those who have computer labels area chart ni now area chart change chart type line scatter xy scatter xy scatter low grammar low xy scatter xy scatter xy scatter chart and again change to stock surface bubble radar. These are not given in your book. Donut is given, so go to the donut chart my Alex na khwayam na phangdam na magi color si khwai pi je this na khwayam phangde na donut chart le. Now Hojiboki Gyan Timer until here. I hope you understand it. Gyan Taren Kale Hojiboki je na Paichala change Torga we have seen each and every chart here. Now let's go to the column chart again and let's select this column chart. Now we are back to the column chart here. Now let's see. Now here is a chart tool. You see on the chart tool design, layout and format. Now in the chart tool you can the titles, data labels, and to change the design, layout and format tab. Design, layout and format tab if you want to change you have to go to this chart tool. Now if you do not see the chart tool, click anywhere inside the chart to activate it. Now I'll click here outside like this. Now if I click outside the chart, now this is the chart here, we have taken column chart here. If you click outside the chart, you cannot see the chart tool here. Can you see here? No. Now this chart tool in the chart click to the chart anywhere outside the chart click to chart tool you cannot see chart tool here, it will disappear. Now if you want to bring back or if you want to see the chart tool here, you have to click on the chart. When you click on the chart, then chart tool appears here. The design, layout and format have been appeared here. Okay. Now chart tool chart click to chart tool. Now select the chart. This displays the chart tool tab. Now displaying the design. Now here is design, the layout and the format tabs. Now these three tabs it can be visible only when you click on the chart. Now click on the design tab. Now let's see on the design tab. There are different chart styles here, chart layouts. As I have told you, see the design you can click here anywhere. Whichever chart you want, you can click here. And in the chart layout also, different charts layout has been given here. You can click anywhere. Chart layout, so design period. So the axis, see the name of the in the average marks you can write here in the axis. Here also you can write name of the students like this, name of the students, and here in this chart you can write average marks. Now it looks nice. See, name of the students ni Tomthin, Akash, Alex, Vincent, Kailash, Aswan, Joswan, average marks, average marks, these are the average marks. Many yeng Fajanaba, Queen chart style designs is my happy one. Now here chart style this is a palm day na Fajade Hagana. So more is my happy area. So axis title and a chart home over here. So that you can write here again, you can write here again. Change the way. These are the chart layouts and these are the chart styles. In the chart layout is chart styles ni. Now after that, go for the chart formatting. The formatting is click over na sigi bar piece in the chart kisi just shape fill just change over so you can change the color here. Blue the change over. Then background change over so background now so fill over. Like this. Background change. So manungi si white lazy you can change this also. You just click here and you can fill with any color like this. Minus change over after here. Okay. Then shadow how can have also shadow how you chart shadow you can put like this in the chart formatting. Here the format tool. So Muthala thread disappears here. The format tool you have to bring if you want to bring the format tools you can click on the chart. Now chart tools is here. Okay. In the format also you can do the formatting here. On the format tab, do one of the following: the current selection group, format selection, colors in the array. You can fill this or you can fill this the background with no fill, more fill, picture, gradient, texture. This also how to fill on this. I already told you. I will see the picture picture click to view and in the background the picture in hand. Now let's see here. I'll put the pictures. I'll put the Taj Mahal, the picture of Taj Mahal. I'll put here and click insert here. So, the chart, the picture will happen here. Like this, we can put the pictures also. Then in the like this selection here, design and layout are given here. Now in the current selection group, the format chart tool and the dialog box appears here. Then after that, now if you want to change the outline of this bar graph, outline of this chart outline bar b outline so you go to the same outline here and you click on red here. Now you can get the outline here and you can change the width also. Outline the color hapa. Now in this also you can put pictures. There's a picture click to guys click to matamda. Just click to already. Now here if I click here you change the background of this. If you click here so dot already you are changing the background of this. In this also you can fill instead of colors you can fill picture also. I'll put a picture here. A lotus temple I'll put here. Kasi lotus temple यहाँ पे मन बनाएगा कि यहाँ पे Taj Mahal यहाँ पे. So we can drag here and bring. Okay, task 1 hape so na see happy or you can bring little outline hala so si una mo contact makhagi je sumain to raga akoina the picture hapa outline hapa then shape effects id shadow glow soft edge 3D rotation everything you can put here using the format tape. Okay, like this you can do the formatting and the design layout also. You can do design layout here. Now there here is grid here, horizontal axis, vertical primary axis, so in a grid line, horizontal primary grid line, major grid line, minor grid line, a grid line like this. The grid line sudah paina jasa lijong tidak minor grid line happy ba. There's a grid line happy juga suka ide. There's a axis happy juga primary axis ta. Punya select raga. Mathang mathang se jo grid line happy hai guys. Sangani punya apply to viewers man changa. Angani ko. Now instead of this putting pictures in charts, you can put it's better to put color instead of pictures. Pictures if hapada preserve kitang wadi. Then instead of pictures ki mota ko na mana color maning the hapas na hina phajai basisu color maning the hapas na hina phajai. Formatting changani, save changani, or you can put no fill. You can have to say white number like this. You can do the formatting for charts. Chart outlines. Then in the word art styles group, click a word art option and click on any text fill, text outline or text effects. Again number 17E dan lagi textbook dia ni page number 36 dah. Aina kita highlight and then select the text formatting option that you want. The word art apa zu dunia ada. Punya word art kita lagi insert tu is cengaga insert cengani insert lagi ya word art happy saja. Lagi word art lo raga punya word art happy kan text tu. Ya apa amba text select tu biraga lagi word art tu apa zu yai. Word art selection. With the word art then take your you can type your text here. Now this is too big, so you can edit your text. Ini yang cuman ke PC. You can remove this word art also. Word art logo juga have ini lagi word art logo juga ada. I hope till here you understood carefully. Jadi huju bukti noi ya ina sai lagi. Masih video session kita isi gian tanian lain. Now let's go to the last topic. Grouping of worksheets. Grouping of worksheets there. See the worksheet sheet number 1, sheet number 2. I didn't write or create anything here in sheet number 2 and sheet number 3 also I didn't create anything. But if you want to select these 3 sheets, what you have to do is click on the first sheet. Now I have already clicked here, so click over there. Then hold the control key from the keyboard and click on any number of other worksheets one by one. I'm holding the control key. Now I'm selecting this and selecting this. Now look here carefully. Now I'll do from the starting again. The sheet number 1 the click over there. Then go to sheet number 2 the click over there. Sheet number 3 the click over there. See the dark blue is dark blue kita essentially light or blue is color kita change so when you go now I'll do it again. I'll click on the sheet 1 first, then on sheet 2, then on sheet 3. Now all these sheet have been selected. Now you can apply any formatting you want. Noina apamba change tong nimado hello imuk to yare ba sigi set ahum se loina mak select tor bane ba ko data when any formatting apply to yare copy to ba delete to ba hide to ba or column rows hape ba entire apply formatting to individual cells or column rows, even entire worksheets, or enter new text, change text, or clear anything whatever you want. You can cut, copy, paste anything you want, or change the paper orientation to paper orientation semba hadi page layout to changa paper orientation je kwen sida changani page layout changa paper orientation changa portrait hadi yungba landscape hagina phaina si semba ji aina whatever aina the formatting semba je will be applied to these three sheets lema apply to bane haba aduna akhona multiple sheet apply to hagadi sumaina apply to be yai. Now here ends our chapter number. Now this is what we are doing is chapter number 2, that is advanced features. Some of the advanced features of MS Excel 2010 की advanced features कोई खरा तो है सही दा I have done filtering of data, conditional formatting, and copying conditional formatting to other cells, clearing and removing of conditional formatting. Also we have done different type of charts and how to create charts and how to change the chart styles, chart layouts, and chart formatting. Then grouping of worksheets, worksheet group over sheet 1, sheet 2, 3, how to group worksheets, everything we have done. Now here ends our chapter number 2. Now say that Gyan Tahogdaba, Dog Leba, you can clear it on the Google Meet class. Google Meet class clear to BI. I'll tell you again, in Google Meet class, I cannot take the further lessons. I cannot continue your lessons on Google Meet class. Continue to BI. Everyone cannot be present on Google Meet. Okay, in Meet class, everyone cannot present. So I'll send you the videos for the updated video class. But in Google Meet class, what you have to do is you can clear your doubts. Okay, and I'll explain you again on the Google Meet class also the lessons which I have taught you in the video class. Video class I talk about lessons in see aina revision oina Google Meet class take joga khangdaba noi doubt leragadi you can clear on the Google Meet class. Okay students, let's wind up here for today. So in the next video session class we'll do chapter number 3, that is more on QBasic. What are the things how we can write a program on QBasic, that will be done on the next video session class. So let's wind up here, and here also we end our chapter number 2. Okay students, stay home, stay safe and stay healthy.